Hello everyone, this is Anup. We all know that the pen that is used on touch screens, that is on smartphones, are very costly. They cost around 600 to 1000 rupees if you buy it online or from electronic shop. Today in this video, very short video, I will show you how you can make a touchscreen pen by using only 3 materials, that too very simple 3 materials. Hope that this will be very useful for you. So let's start the video. So what we need is little bit of cotton that is available from a medical shop, a normal cotton, and then we need an old pen from which the refill has been removed. It can be plastic or metal pens. And then we need some copper wires. Copper wire are very common in your homes because all the electrical wires contains copper metal inside it. You can take it out. I have taken out from this wire, as you can see. So these are the 3 materials that can be used for making a pen to be working on a touch screen. So what we have to do first is that we have to take the copper wire, just one single wire out of the bundle you can separate out and use. This copper wire has to be inserted into the front hole of the pen. You can see how I am doing it. It's a very simple process. Once you insert that wire, the other end of the wire should be longer and should reach the end of the pen. Then you can fix the body of the pen into the front part of the pen. This copper wire, which is reaching behind the pen, can be just wound on the back of the pen, or you can also use a tape to keep it on place so that the wire does not move. Remember that this copper wire is going to be a very important part of your touchscreen pen. Now you have to take some cotton and start twisting it in such a way that it forms tapering ends. Tapering ends means pointed ends. One of the pointed end you have to insert inside the front hole of the pen. This should be done by forcing it and also by twisting simultaneously. So this may take a little bit of time if not done correctly. So you have to keep twisting it and pushing it inside. So when I was doing for the video, the one cotton that was pushed inside came out. It doesn't matter because this can be again done. As you can see, I'm doing it. It takes just 10 to 15 seconds of time, and now the cotton is completely inside. Now what we have to do is, this extra piece of cotton that you can see, the length of the cotton that you can see, this has to be cut and removed. So I am cutting it now using scissors. So once you cut the extra piece, you will have just a blunt small piece of cotton on the tip of the pen. As you can see in the video, you can just twist it and make it look like a pen tip. You can see here that the end of the copper wire, I have taped it using a normal packing tape, a brown tape. It looks neater now, and there is still the cotton part which is in the front of the pen. The next thing what we have to do is that you have to touch a little bit of water, a drop of water onto the tip of the pen which has the cotton. This is also very important because the water will allow the connection between the screen and your fingers. So if you use it without the presence of water, if you use it dry cotton, the results may not be very effective. So now I will show you by using another phone how it can work. See, now it is working now on my smaller phone. So you can use any screen or any activity you can do. As you can see, I am changing pics and go back. So the importance of this is that using fingers, it's very difficult to write or draw or paint on a phone, which is very, very useful for people who work with it. So here I am showing you the classroom which we generally used for our work. This is a classroom of my son, and here you can see how easily I am able to move between the entries. I will make and add a video after this showing how you can actually evaluate papers or use it for drawing, writing much easier than the fingers. Now this is a document in the classroom. So in this document, as you can see, there are few things written. I have blurred it so that it is not visible. Now you can put tick marks here, write marks. This is a very difficult part for the teachers to do because this part takes a lot of time if you use fingers. So now you can use this pen for doing the evaluation process. You can change colors, use green color also. So this is how the pen can be made by using just 3 simple materials found in your home. So as you can see, you can use the pen very, very comfortably and very, very smoothly. Thank you for watching the video, and please like my video in the YouTube, and if you like the video, you can also subscribe my channel. You can like and subscribe and also share the video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.